सांस अंदर लेंगे और छोड़ेंगे, सांस अंदर लेंगे रहता है। ये तो सबसे सिंपल। सबसे हो रहा है ये जो नर्वस सिस्टम है, नॉस्ट्रिल पे, और यहाँ से लेफ्ट से सांस ऊपर खींचे, सांस छोड़नी, अब जिससे छोड़िए उसी से सांस। लेफ्ट इससे आराम वाली मुद्रा में आ जाएंगे अपनी।
In the court premises under the patron chief Chief Justice Geeta Mittal ji and Executive Chairman Shri Rajesh Bindal ji. This Yoga Day was adopted 21st of June 2015 first, and 84 nations had taken part in India. That Yoga Day was observed at Rajpath, New Delhi, under the patron chief then Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Today we have gathered here along with advocates, staff, as well as PLBs, and media persons have also taken part in it. I extend my greeting to all the countrymen on this day, and media person to carry this word yoga to all nook and corner of the world, so that people may lead happy, peaceful life and maintain harmony in the society. Thanks a lot.